just this idea of a vaccination passport. What would be the goal of that?
I probably went too far today on that, but anyway. The goal is easy. I think there's two ways. We want to be, I think it's a good thing for people to be vaccinated. That's first. And I think people, the way we see enthusiasm about people wanted to be vaccinated, they want sometimes to have the proof for that. And I think it's normal. I think I heard many enterprises that said they would like to be able the first to open their doors if they had a proof that the people inside can have a proof of vaccination. So we're saying, I mean, we are in a digital world, and I don't see why we could not have, as I mentioned earlier, what we call the QR code, that we have on our boarding pass when we fly. So I think it's just normal that we go there. So in preparation for that, because we're not there yet, but I think in preparation for that, we ask our IT people, but also on public health, what are the conditions that we could have to make sure that when you're being issued a QR code, you're really vaccinated, and that can be quite helpful. I don't know if...
mostly the word passeport santé is for passport. It's used especially, I would say mainly, to people who want to travel and make a proof, because on the other side, in the other country, they can ask you, have you been vaccinated? And I think that's almost I would say the preoccupation. It's also a way for a person to be aware of have been vaccinated, and then using it in the community will depend on the impacts of the epidemiology, and we will follow what are the best practice in the world in that field. But I would say the first will be for traveling needs, because some countries will ask for having a proof.